Okay, so welcome to the Yorkshire Business Journal. I'm Thea Robinson here with Craig Robertson of Granada Glazing. So first things first, tell me about Granada Glazing, the products, services, and your team.
Granada Glazing. We're a business that is UK's largest bespoke secondary glazing manufacturer. We've been in business over 30 years. We're very fortunate. The business was acquired in 2013 by an Australian businessman and engineer, Malcolm White, who has invested heavily in transitioning Granada into a brand new manufacturing facility measuring about 40,000 square feet in Dinnington in Sheffield. We launched a new product range in August 2021, which took lengthy time of development, which has basically revolutionized the secondary glazing market and focused on exceeding customers' expectations for performance. It's a very sleek, unobtrusive, and very aesthetically pleasing product with supreme thermal and acoustic performance. So we actually supply business to business. We do this through a UK-wide network of trade partners, and we have very close working relationships with architects, specifiers, surveyors, and main contractors in the commercial sector. So in a nutshell, that's Granada Glazing.
All right, thank you so much. So what is the recruitment process like for those working with the installation of these fixtures? And what qualifications do you guys look for?
We, as you can imagine, like most manufacturing business, we have anything from shop floor operators, which obviously have more experience rather than qualifications, all the way to senior management. Having gone through a rapid growth period that we've enjoyed, and it's a very, very successful sales year, probably the best in the company's history. We've actually recruited onto the shop floor, and we actually train in-house. So we can actually, because our products is all bespoke and it's all been designed by ourselves. So I wouldn't expect anybody to have any experience. So we train people in-house. So we do that process. We also have increased our workforce by probably about 25% over the calendar year. And then wherever possible, we are identifying both MVQs, CSCS tickets within the construction trade. So they're getting relevant experience with the vocational backup for that as well. So that's the most valuable sort of experience to us. We've also had extreme success through our apprenticeship schemes. So we brought our transport in-house, to which our apprentice, having finished their apprenticeship, has actually took over the coordination of all our transport requirements. So a very, very successful recruitment and training process.
Okay, so from your website, it looks like you have many partnerships or existing relationships with local businesses, homeowners, and architects. So could you tell me why it is beneficial to maintain these relationships?
Ooh. Without our customers and clients, we wouldn't have a business. Everything we do focuses around them. We have two main routes to our market. The first market would be our trade outlets who deal direct with homeowners. So we have a network across the UK, and we also have our secondary supply is through our commercial projects. So our commercial projects are typically turnkey solutions. So we are looking everything from initial concept to design, project management, installation, dealing with the architects and specifiers so we can supply product, install it to exactly their thermal and acoustic requirements. When it comes to homeowners, we liaise with our trade partners. We support our trade partners with showroom, point of sale, literature, website, digital support. And bear in mind, these are our partners which supply the 30 million plus homes in the UK. So we service and support them so that they can support our end customers. So let's say with our B2B business that we have, the strong relationships that we have are absolutely the key. So whether it be an architect, a contractor in commercial, or our trade accounts, the relationship we have, the support, the product, continuing product development, and our service offering, absolutely key to the business.
Okay, so you seem to prioritize your customers. And I also wanted to know about the product that you guys sell. So could you tell me or provide a little bit more context on the industry-leading technology that Granada Glazing uses in its manufacturing process?
When we was acquired by our current owner, Malcolm White, we were very fortunate that it was heavily invested into, not only just relocating from a nearby town of Chesterfield to Dinnington. So we had literally a blank canvas. We've invested very heavily in our CNC machinery so that everything is produced in-house. We took in board our own in-house powder coating spray facility. So the sort of processes that some people may outsource, everything is done internally so we can control both the quality and turnaround to our customers. We also invested very heavily in our IT systems. Our IT system, I've been in manufacturing for 30 years, and I'm very proud to say that Granada is probably the most paperless factory I've ever been within. And that's basically driven through the software that we've created and continue to develop. It takes everything from our front-end customers all the way through our ordering, sales ordering, manufacturing processing, purchasing, stock control, everything. So beginning to end, we have a fully integrated ERP system that we have developed, especially for our product and our industry. We've probably invested about £2.5 million in our software. We have, as an investment target, we try and invest about £500,000 a year in product development and research. And we have a patent pending, which is near approval and be released within our current product range. So for innovative, the fact that it's been recognized by being granted a patent, I think that probably stems, we're industry leading and currently looking to develop our product further, once again, to exceed our customers' expectations.
Okay, so it seems like Granada Glazing has a lot of experience in this particular industry, but I wanted to highlight some of the accreditations that you guys have listed on your website, as well as the fact that you guys advertise seminars to other businesses. So could you tell me more about it?
Yeah, sure. We are a member of the Royal Institute of British Architects, RIBA. We're currently in the process. They, throughout the country, offer various delegates and memberships and lectures they actually perform. We're attending these, I think we're attending approximately one a month this year. So when they invite their architects to a seminar to actually learn and be educated, we're actually attending. So we attend each of those with RIBA and actually do a presentation of our products to educate the professional sector of what our product can offer. We offer CPDs, is the internal terminology of continuing professional development. So we perform these so the architects can stay on the cutting edge of the knowledge of their industry and the products available to them. So we conduct, I'd like to say we're going to conduct well over 100 CPDs this year to particular architects in their practices via webinars, however it's best to perform it to them. We're also a member of CHAS. CHAS stands for the Contractors Health and Safety Assessment Scheme. So we abide by that, once again, demonstrating our commitment to health and safety, not just here, but actually on site when we're actually installing our commercial settings. And we also have all of our systems internally are BSI and ISO audited to 9001 standard. So very proud of the accreditation, and we'll keep those all up to date because once again, it externally demonstrates our commitment to both quality and our customers' expectation.
Okay, so it seems like you guys have a very impressive track record when it comes to these things. So finally, could you share what you believe to be Granada Glazing's unique selling point when compared to other businesses that offer services like yours?
Fundamentally, the one thing we really have is we've launched a brand new product range. Took a lot of development, both time and financial resource to do that, and technical expertise. But we can now offer the most slimline and unobtrusive secondary glazing product on the marketplace. That is literally what our customers are expecting and want. They want thermal performance, they want acoustic performance, but they also want a secondary glazing when you're in a property to almost be invisible. So that's what our product actually offers, and it offers that extremely well, which has obviously driven the sales success that we have enjoyed. If it's a small residential installation, whether it be a large commercial installation or even a historical property, whatever the application, the thing that our customers and clients really need is to be sleek, unobtrusive, and invisible to the eye. If I took historical properties, conservation officers and listed buildings, they will usually not let you touch the primary glazing from the external of a building. They don't want to introduce any new sight lines. Through our products and the flexibility, every one of our windows is bespoke. It can be color matched. it literally can serve every single purpose. So whether it be residential, commercial, historical, it's great. And that's what we try and service and offer. And then when it comes to our manufacturing abilities, because we have grown over the last 12 months and we've got very ambitious targets going forward, the opportunities there, I think literally being driven through energy prices, people get a lot more educated for the benefits of secondary glazing. They see the benefits that it can bring down. We've got clients, residential clients, that have seen 40% reduction in their energy bills in their household. We've got a commercial client that we have quoted for 8 of their properties, and we've equated through our thermal calculations that's on our website that we can save them approximately about £100,000 a year on their energy bill. There's a certain amount of education. So from our marketing point of view, we try and do as much marketing which is more based on education. If we can educate people to the actual benefits of secondary glazing, we don't need so much to sell it, just actually be able to service and manufacture. So that's what we're focused very heavily on, just educating the marketplace.
All right. Well, thank you so much for meeting with us today. That was an amazing interview, and I wish you the best in your future endeavors.
Thank you very much for your time.